Oven baked whole tandoori chicken recipe is finally here. We will be making this recipe in an hour. Organic tandoori chicken over yellow rice. Chicken with delicious yellow rice. And this is whole organic chicken with the skin. Make deeper cuts on the chicken. So we have cuts on the chicken. So this is the chicken. It's ready to go get marinated. Let's turn on our oven. So we will put it at bake. Temperature will be 450. It's on the pre. Until then, let's marinate our chicken. So here goes the whole chicken. Marinade is very easy. We will start with the turmeric powder. Okay, these are all dry ingredients first. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, clove powder, half tablespoon of the clove powder, the cinnamon, half tablespoon of the cinnamon powder, red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of the red chili, or you want to use smoky paprika for the smoky touch, you can use that. 2 tablespoons of the black pepper. We will take 2 tablespoons of the coriander. The chicken is 4 pounds of the whole chicken. This is cumin powder. We will take 2 tablespoons of the cumin. So 1 tablespoon of monosodium glutamate. We will add 1 tablespoon of the salt. Red food color. This is the powder version, so half tablespoon of red food color. The dry spice is completely ready, full of colors, just like India. So the dry spice is completely ready to go on top of our chicken. We will make a liquid marinade now. Take blender juicer, handful of cloves of garlic. I'm doing rough count, you want to count it, add 15 to 20. At least 40 grams of fresh ginger, some green chilies, 7 to 8 green chilies, 1 cup of olive oil. It's a bake recipe. Use 100% virgin olive oil. If you don't have it, you can use canola oil in there. White distilled vinegar, 5 tablespoons of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blend this. It goes all in here. Now look at this marinade. Give it a mix. Homemade delicious tandoori oven bake marinade. This marinade is the whole magic. Grab your chicken. This all marinade gonna go on top of it. Do your magic. Rub all the ingredients on top. Get into deep cuts. Massage it at least for 5 minutes. Go take the whole seasoning like in your hand and get into the chicken cavity. So it's gonna be flavored from the inside out. Tandoori chicken is marinated to get into oven. So here you go. I have another bake sheet. It has a rack on top. Add it straight like this on top. This is extra marinade. Grab it from the fingers. We need all the flavors. Do the final touches and our oven is ready. Delicious chicken tandoori is ready to go in the oven, just like that. On the clock, this is 8:21. By 9:21 we will take a look. Until then we will make the yellow rice. For the yellow rice, I'm using rice cooker or basmati rice, simple. We will take 1.5 cup of it. Turmeric, half tablespoon of it. Chicken bouillon, add it. It's gonna give the flavor to your rice. Salt, 1 tablespoon of it. Olive oil, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Only 2 whole cups of water in here. 1 and 2. Give it a mix. Let's close the lid from the top. Put it on to cook. It's gonna take around 25 to 30 minutes. It's been 1 whole hour. Our delicious oven roasted whole chicken is right here. Let's turn off the bake. You see the time. Delicious oven roasted tandoori chicken is completely ready. Let's do a temperature check. So it's above 165, so it's completely done. Let's check on our delicious yellow rice. Wow, looking so good. Let's have a bit of rice. Whole tandoori chicken is on top of the yellow flavored rice. Completely ready. I've chopped some radish, goes right next to it. Cilantro on top. And let's make some raita, a sauce. Sliced onion goes in here. 4 to 5 tablespoons of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of the cumin. 1 tablespoon of the dill weed. 1 tablespoon of the salt. 2 cups of water. And whole yogurt. So we'll take 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons. Give it a mix. So this is the delicious raita which goes with the tandoori chicken over yellow flavored rice. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. We'll do a taste test. Just give me 10 minutes so the chicken gets cooled down a little bit, you know. Here you go. This is the moment of truth. It's so juicy. The juices are dripping out of it. Here goes the raita. Chicken leg, oven baked. Wow, so tender. Yum. Here goes the rice. And this is, bismillah, the bite. Juicy, tender. Oven bake is a different kind of tenderness. Look at this, so tender, man. Wow. The crispy skin and the meat. Awesome. 1 hour is the cook time, 20 minutes on top is the prepare time. So 1 hour, 20 minutes, you can have this whole chicken on top of flavored yellow rice. Enjoy this recipe, make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye-bye for now. Oven roasted is different. I haven't had tender chicken just like this.